Hello everyone. My name is Tavian Moore, and I chose the constellation Taurus for this project. Taurus, known as Taurus the Bull, can be located by looking at the lower left of the constellation of Auriga, and there Taurus will lie adjacent to it, in sort of a Y shape. The bright stars of the constellation Taurus. The brightest stars of Taurus include the star Elne, which is in the spectral class of B73. It has an apparent magnitude of 1.65. It is a giant star and 134 light years away from the Earth, roughly. Another star is Tiaguan. It has an apparent magnitude of 3.0. It is a blue giant star that is 440 light years away from Earth, and it is a part of the B43P spectral class. Aldebaran, which has an apparent magnitude of 0.87. It is considered an orange-red giant. It is a part of the K53 spectral class and is 65.3 light years away from Earth. It is also the brightest star of the constellation Taurus. Lastly, we have Alcyon, which is a blue giant star, part of the B73 spectral class. It is 443 light years away from Earth and has an apparent magnitude of 2.87. Now we are on to the deep sky objects of Taurus. First, we have the Hyades. The Hyades are located in the head of the Taurus, what is known as Taurus the Bull. It is about 153 light years away from the Sun and is one of the nearest clusters, open clusters. Next, we have the Pleiades, which is located in the body of Taurus. It is also known as the Seven Sisters and is about 444 light years away from Earth. We also have the Crab Nebula. It is a supernova remnant and has a span of 11 light years across and is growing at a rate of 1 billion kilometers per day, roughly. Lastly, we have the Hines Variable Nebula. It is 580 light years away from Earth and is located near the Hyades and the brightest star of Taurus, Aldebaran. On to one of the sections I found most interesting throughout this project, and that is the mythology part. The story of Taurus comes from the story of Europa. She was the daughter of King Agnar of Phoenicia and Telephassa. Europa became the object of Zeus's affection. Zeus, another name for Taurus, and he appeared to her as a beautiful white bull at the Phoenician waterside. The princess was awestruck by the beauty of the bull and walked over to pet it. She then climbed upon his back, at which Zeus jumped into the water and carried her across the sea to Crete. He took the form of an eagle there and ravished her. She eventually bore him 3 sons. Zeus placed the image of the bull in the heavens. A group of stars called the Hyades make up Taurus' head, and another group of stars called the Pleiades make up part of the bull as well. The websites and the places where I found my information. Hopefully it was very informative to you and you found some facts about constellation of Taurus interesting as I did. Thank you.